everybody interested in how to have the best teachers in your area come to you and also interested in having more money and more kids in their classroom? Awesome. Well, for $29.95, no. So if I promised you, ready? Now, try this on and notice what your mind says, okay? If I said to you, I'm going to give you $6,000, and it's going to cost you $500. And you don't have to pay me the $500 until you get the $6,000 in your hand. So meaning, $1,000, $2,000, $3,000, $4,000, $5,000, $6,000. By the way, here's my $6,000 I'm giving to you. Will you give me $500 back? Is it worth it? Okay, cool. Common sense. What if I said, I'm going to give you $12,000, and every time that you get $12,000, you give me $1,000 back? Is that something that you're interested in?
Yes.
Okay, cool. So what do you pay your teachers when they refer a child into your school? Candy bar? What's the referral rate for your teachers? What do you give them? $100. So was it $1,000 a month on the average? $1,300, $1,250 for an infant toddler. So they're bringing you $12,000 a year. You give them $100. That sounds great to you. Why would a teacher who's sitting at my gym with her son, her daughter, her cousin, sitting at a restaurant, looking over at a table where someone's having dinner, do you expect your teacher to interrupt that conversation and say, listen, I don't mean to interrupt, just want to let you know I work at this amazing school, and blah, 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 here's that, they're fantastic, just consider checking it out. Are people going to go outside their comfort zone for $50? 100? What if they would go outside their comfort zone for $500? For $1,000? And by the way, so this is a child that comes into the school. They have to be at the school. But this is a whole system that I basically just took this from a gym that I used to work at and used it here. A child gets brought into your school. You get $6,000. At the 6-month mark at your staff training, you hand the person $500 in $100 bills. You can make up the story. We would have gotten that kid. That kid would have never shown up at your school. Then another 6 months goes by. You make another $6,000. Next staff meeting, you hand them $500 back. You keep an Excel spreadsheet. Now there's a teacher that's a go-getter, and she has 5 kids in your school. In your school that would have never came in. 5 kids in 1 year is $60,000. Is that worth $5,000 to you? Of course it is. Do you think that everybody gets paid around the same when it comes to early childhood? Do you think your teachers are, you know the ones I'm talking about, the ones that are just waiting for the public school job to open up so they can bounce on you? Right? The ones with the master's degree, they're going, this is ridiculous, second I'm out of here. But now that teacher's making an extra $5,000 a year because she went above and beyond. You don't think she's going to tell all her other teacher friends at the 5 preschools down the road from you?